In this lesson, you will learn how to create your Contact Us page, so our visitors will be able to send us message to our email inbox. Alright, so let's go to the dashboard, and to create our Contact Us page, we will use a plugin which is called WP Forms. This plugin, if you don't have it, you should go right here in plugin section, click add new, and look for this plugin. And instead of creating this page from the scratch, this time we will use Astra templates. So let's go to pages and let's click add new. Let's give a title, so let's name it Contact Us, and let's click edit with Elementor. Instead of using these elements, we will go right here and we will click on this option, and from this list we can choose our Contact Us page. So it's completely up to you what type of Contact Us page you want to create. Maybe you want to use some blogs, so right here in this section you will find various Contact Us forms. Once you go to the search and you enter contact. Alright, as you can see, we have quite a lot of different options available, but instead of using them, let's go back to pages section and let's choose, let's say, this template. And as you can see, we get 5 different pages which we can use for this newly created page. So let's use it contact, and let's click import template. Alright, as you can see, the template was imported successfully, and all we have to do right now is just to edit all these fields. So the Contact Us form is going to look something like this. We can keep it as it is. If you want, you can change the heading of this form, and if you need, you can change the contact information. You can delete the address field by clicking the right mouse button, and by clicking delete, you will delete it. And just like that, you can edit all the information right here. You can change the phone number, you can change the links of social media profiles. So to change them, you would have to click on this field, and in this section, content, as you can see right here, we can add our URLs of our profiles. If you don't need a certain profile, you can remove it, and if you need to add a new item, just click right here and the new item will be added. All you have to do is just pick the icon. You should click right here, icon library, and here you'll find all available icons. So if you need, you can use search. Let's say let's look for Pinterest icon, let's add it, search, and right here we can add the link of our profile. So as you can see, this is how our contact form would look. Of course, if you want, you can change everything in this form. You can remove fields, you can change the images. So as you remember, when we were creating a homepage, we created a similar section, and if you want to change the image of this section, you would have to go right here, and as you probably remember, you can change the background and style section, and by clicking right here, you will be able to change the image. If you need, you can upload, or you can choose from media library. So I guess I'm just gonna choose the same image. Let's click insert media, and as you can see, the image is different now. And once you have finished doing changes, you think everything looks fine, you can publish this page, and we can click right here. And as you can see, this is how our contact page is going to look. So just like that, by using templates, you can save a lot of time. And instead of creating everything from the scratch, you can pick the template which you like the most, and you can edit it as much as you want. So by adding templates, you can create any page you want. You could even create a home page or any other page. So yeah, this is how you create your Contact Us page.